So guys, instead of the city in this
जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल
so
निकल
instead of the city that's why it is. Hey, what you doing, guys? I hope everyone will be fine. I think everyone will be fine. Say hello, boys and girls. So I go by Vikky, and you can call me Master Vikky. And today in this video, and we are gonna discuss the how to speak English confidently and fluently. So, guys, first of all, and I'm then sir, guys, you will fancy this video and do the comment below and like, share, just follow. And could you please hit the bell icon upcoming my videos? And then first of all, guys, today I would like to let you know that the pre-winter season is just around the corner, and what's more, and the pre-winter season has started upon us, and a little cold has started towards us, and I'm feeling cold today. And look at me, and I have already weared a coat, but it is not a coat, guys. It is just a jacket. And you know what, guys? I'm wearing a jacket to protect myself from the cold and so that I don't feel cold. So, guys, I have a question for you all, guys. And how cold is it there? So tell me now. So guys, instead of the city, it is colder in the village because the house is very close there, and that's why it is less cold in these cities. Actually, I have a plan and I'm gonna talk about my English reading journeys. And I recently studying morning time and also that practicing at the time at English speaking. So I want to speak English more, but my mind is not able to form sentence quickly. I practice daily, but you know what? You don't like my videos, and no, you guys like nor are you giving me YouTube's likes. And how should I do? And that is my problem. And so guys, you can wait a story the next part 2.